We know generative AI is something that is different from the traditional AI systems. It creates. That's why it is called generative AI. Welcome back to the AI Explained Simply series, where we are going to be breaking down all the AI terms everyone should understand in 2026. In this episode, let's simplify generative AI. What is generative AI? What exactly is it? We talk about it, Gen AI. Now, traditional AI is often what designs, predicts, and classifies or detects something. We have been using them before the generative AI. For example, the AI that used to identify a spam on an email, then it blocks it into spam, predicts sales, or even detects unusual transactions. Now, generative AI goes further. Why? It can create new content. You get it? It creates new content. That could be text, images, audio, videos, code. We are using it for coding and much more. Think about it. What happens when you ask any AI chatbot, whether ChatGPT, whether Cloud or Gemini, write an email for me? What happens? The AI doesn't simply search through the database and copies an email that was written by someone else and brings it to you. No. Instead, it uses the patterns you use, the skills you have given it. It learns during that training together with your instructions to generate a new response. It knows how you respond because you have given it a skill. It has learned the way how you respond. The same basic idea applies to AI image generations or generators. The generators that work on videos. You describe what you want and the AI generates an image based on the pattern it has learned. That's why it is called generative AI. It generates. Right? It doesn't just copy, it generates. And this technology can help us brainstorm ideas, write content, like the scripting of this video. I use Gen AI, learn new topics, create ideas, create designs, write code, and even improve productivity. But there is something important to remember. Just because AI generates something doesn't mean that it's automatically correct. Most of the cases it hallucinates and gives you something wrong and even make sure that you believe that it is correct. Generative AI can produce inaccurate, biased, and misleading information. Always there has to be human judgment. So humans should review still what matters, right? And generative AI is not just ChatGPT. When we talk about generative AI, it is not ChatGPT or Cloud or Gemini. It is just a particular application. It's not a particular application. It is a wide thing. It is a category of AI that includes chatbots, image generators, coding assistants, video generators, and many, many, many more other tools. Now here is the next question. What actually powers many of the AI chatbots we use today? What powers them? When you sit and think, what powers them? That's where large language model or LLMs comes in. And that's where we'll simply start from the next episode. Our next episode, we are going to talk about large language models. Follow Sabtech Online for the next AI concept explained simply. Otherwise,